So if you're on the fence about hiring me, that's fine. I don't get all of the listings, and that's perfectly fine. There's lots of good realtors out there. But you know what? I think I'll wow you with my no-nonsense, very straightforward presentation for both buyers. You will know exactly the process, you will know how it goes, and for sellers, you will know exactly what the market analysis tells me and what my marketing plan is. That's what you can expect from me. And it's really important to know that if I'm concerned that you can't afford the house, I'm gonna say, hey, maybe we should stop and take a break. Or if I think you're gonna outgrow the house, hey, maybe we should look at it this way. So I really wanna be consultative and make sure that my clients are in a good place when they're done with me.